Hello, my beautiful friends on YouTube. I'm back here with a Django tutorial for absolute beginners. And in this tutorial, you will learn everything you need to get started with Django. And so let's get started. Now, what is Django? Django is a high-level Python web framework that is built on top of the Python language and a framework that we use to build scalable web applications. Means from a little, it's a tiny blog. From a tiny blog you can build a total e-commerce website with Django. And there are a lot of things provided by Django then that you don't have to hard code even. Now, so that is some reasons of choosing Django as a web framework to building web applications. Now the other reasons of choosing Django are it is easy to learn because it is built with Python, which is the most popular language of 2020 and 21. And with less code we can build highly scalable and dynamic web applications. And the fourth point is scalables means you can write as much code from. And the scalable means you can scale up your web application or scale down your web application whenever you need. And with that, it is having a great community support. A lot of people are using it. So if you face some error, then there will be a solution on the internet, of course. And the documentation of Django is also well written, so you can go through the documentation whenever you face any problem. And all of these things are you are getting for free because Django is an open source web framework. And there are two advanced topics that I'll not be going too deeper. But one thing is REST API. There is a framework. There is a another framework, Django REST framework, which is built on top of Django, with help of which you can create REST API to power your web application or mobile applications. And the next thing is Django supports object relational mapping or ORM, which means you don't have to write the boring SQL queries to manage your database. That will be handled by Django itself. Now let's take a look at the project that we are going to build. Now if I go to the local host, and you can see that this is going to be the project that we are going to build together. It is having some text, and this is simple blog which is having some post in it, and with some image and with a category. And you can see that the author of the post, and if you click on the read more, then you will see the full body of the post with an image and the publication date with the category and the total body of the post. Now if we go to the server address slash admin, then this is the powerful administration panel that is provided by Django. From where we can manage the different entities in our website. Like this is a blog, and it is having some post and is the related categories in it. And I have added some post here. So this is the thing that we are going to build together. So let's jump into it. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe the channel so that for a new video you can get the notification of the new video is published. So let's get started.